Hi, so I'm gonna start off with calcite. And so from the look of it, color's white. And the luster to me looks kind of glassy. It's kind of a little bit translucent, kind of glass looking. So for the hardness, I'll start with my fingernail. Go across there. Nothing's happening, no line or anything from calcite. So I'm gonna try the penny. Try and do a little scratch on the penny. See if it leaves a mark. And it does. It got Abe on the shoulder there. Okay, so next I'm gonna try the nail here. Give it a little scratch. And didn't scratch the nail. Let's see if the nail scratches. Yep, the nail scratches this. And penny does not. Okay, I'm gonna try the glass now. See if it scratches the glass. Nope, doesn't seem to be scratching the glass at all. So, I'm gonna put calcite between 3 and 5.5 on the hardness scale because it could scratch the penny but not the nail. So that's that one. For streak, I'm gonna scratch it on the plate carefully because it's really pretty. And I don't see a streak. I think it's either the same color as this or nothing. I'm gonna take a look with the magnifying. Yeah. Try one more time. Oh yeah, okay. So there is a streak, it's white. It's very faint though, but there is a white streak on there from the calcite. And then for magnetism, I'll grab a little magnet here. We're gonna see. Nope, not magnetic, not magnetized. So that's a no on that. And then for my added feature distinguisher for the minerals, texture. So it's smooth, texture smooth with some sharp pointed edges. But yeah, overall smooth. So that is calcite. I have my trusty lab assistant here with me as well. So I'm doing quartz is next up. Quartz. The color is, I called it a whitish pink because it's got some pink streaks. Overall, a light white color. I put pearly for the luster because it's not necessarily shiny, but it's got just a little bit of reflectiveness, but definitely not metallic. So that's for the luster. And then let's do the hardness test here. So I'm putting my nail right there and it's not doing anything, nothing at all. So let's go to the penny and see. Nothing. So I'm gonna mark the penny here with the quartz. Yeah, and it definitely leaves a scratch on the penny. So I'm going next for the nail here. Let's see. It'll leave a scratch. Yep. It seems to have left a little scratch on the nail. And let's try and see if the nail leaves a scratch. No. All right, here's the glass. I'm gonna do a little scratch on the glass, and it does scratch the glass. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot of scratches on there, but scratch the glass. So I put the hardness for quartz at above 5.5 because it did scratch the glass. Okay, and then for streak, let's get the little plate here. Sorry, buddy. Do a little streak there. And it's either cutting the plate or that's a streak. I think it's just cutting the plate. So I'm gonna say there's no streak for quartz. I think it just is cutting the plate. And then for texture, I said that it's rough because overall there's not really any smoothness throughout, and then it has these sharp sort of pointed edges all around. So that is quartz. Okay, and then the last mineral that I'm gonna look at here is mica VAR muscovite. And the color of this one is definitely silver, and the luster is definitely metallic. It's incredibly shiny and metal looking. So when I put my fingernail into this, I am able to scratch it with my nail. So it's very soft. So I put it at like 1 to 2 on the hardness scale because I am able to scratch it with my finger. But just in case, let's do a penny just to see if it does anything. And it definitely does not. Scratch the penny. It just kind of smushes onto it and flakes off. So yeah, 1 to 2 on the hardness scale. For streak, it does pretty much the same thing. No streak, just a bit of metallic flecks. I don't know if that would be considered streak, but there isn't really any color that comes off at all onto the plate. And then for the last one, for magnetism, put the magnet up there. Oh, not magnetic. Got a little burrowing dog right here. Oh, and then for texture, I put that it's very smooth on top, very smooth. It has lots of layers, and it has some sharp edges on the side that are sort of rounded. Okay, and that is mica VAR muscovite.